Hey Pink Guide, today marks the start of an amazing journey. How can we grow our hair thicker, healthier, and longer in just 6 months? If you've been frustrated because your hair won't grow or you regretted getting a haircut, this video is made for you. Today we're diving into science-backed, natural, and effective steps for real results. Ready? Let's get started. Why doesn't hair grow? About 90% of our hair is actually in an active growth phase, but stress, wrong products, nutritional deficiencies, and hormonal imbalances can sabotage this process. If you're experiencing hair loss, you're not alone. But there's a solution. Quick fact: average hair growth rate is 1 to 1.5 centimeters per month. We can double that process in 6 months. From the inside out, nutrition habits. Hair growth isn't just about shampoo. Internal support is essential. Start taking daily B7 vitamin, biotin, zinc, iron, and omega-3. For example, breakfast with an egg, some avocado, and almonds is a real treat for your hair. Weekly care routine, oil therapy and masks. Once a week, apply hair oil, coconut oil, rosemary oil, plus a few drops of lavender. Massage it into your scalp for 5 minutes. This boosts blood circulation and stimulates hair follicles. Tip: heated oil treatments are 30% more effective. Leave on for 30 minutes before washing. Daily habits that might be killing your hair. If you tie your hair every day, especially with tight elastics, stop. This could be the main cause of hair breakage. At night, use a satin pillowcase. It reduces frizz and breakage. Discipline and tracking. What should a 6-month plan look like? Month 1, cleanse and detox. Month 2, vitamin boost. Month 3, hair masks. Month 4, massage and therapy. Month 5, avoid heat. Month 6, transformation photo. If you're still watching this video, you're ready. Now look in the mirror and say to yourself, I can be a whole new me in 6 months. Write, I'm starting, in the comments, and let's begin this journey together. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more videos. Remember, hair grows, but with you, it shines even brighter.